most important thing I look for in a guy is intelligence, so I apologize to half of you out there.
There it is. All right, man. There you go. He's a Lone Ranger kicking it by himself. This guy's jamming is on a roll right now. Lamborghini cars? Are you kidding me right now? Chris Z, where are you at, son?
You could be at the water cooler and you could just slap somebody on the butt and say, good job with that budget. Now, you can't even say they look pretty in a dress that day.
Currently on the golf cart, we got the VIP axes with Michelin, the Sebring 12 hours. What? Dude, the outfits are out of this world. All right. Look at the gauntlets they have in their hands. Whoa. Check out this license plate for Paul Walker on the Corvette. No way, where he has Sebring 12 hours, baby. We're gonna do some people spun, some car spun, whole lot of nonsense going on here. Oh yeah. Check out this traffic controller in the middle of the road. Hold on, I'm gonna zoom in right there. Dude, he's working, dude, he's working. You see this guy in the middle of the road? This guy's jamming, dude. He is on a roll right now. Do you guys think his arms get tired after like 10 minutes? No? It's a machine. Dude, he's a machine. This guy is a goddamn machine. Yes, sir. All right, just walking the pit lane here. At Sebring 12 hours, got a bunch of babes right over there. This side over here is all business. It's all the cars, all the trailers. But over there, that's where the zoo resides. We're gonna head over there tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video, guys. Whoa! Got a bunch of Strabadams just walking around here. Amazing. Get right up to the cars, the drivers, their helmets if you want, autographs, interviews, selfies. Got tires rolling around. We're having so much more fun than goddamn Geneva.
This is the Sebring Cows 25th anniversary. So it's kind of a big deal.
Dinner time, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Got our own tent right here. Oh yeah, the vlog begins. What? It's a legit Michelin man. Now we're rolling. Yes. Dude, the vlog begins right now, guys. Oh, hey. There you go. There it is. All right, man. There you go. Check out this snack bar right here. Oh my goodness. Now we're rolling. Ultimate food vlog. Are you kidding me? Yes. Oh, dude, are you serious? Yeah, Diet Mountain Dew. No. We gotta get the real stuff. Woo. What? Patron. Yeah. You, baby. Very good. Want to mix it up with some Coke? Cheers, bro. Let's go. Whoa. Let me see it. As requested, I like doing these quick walkthroughs of the hotels. Got a little section where you put your nonsense here. I think you put keys or something. Anyways, got a fridge, pull-out couch, craft, sectional couch, office space. Now we got a funky looking old school Panasonic TV right here. We got 2 beds. I don't really know why I have 2 beds. 2 queen size beds rolling. And of course we got the bathroom. We got a big walk-in shower. We got 3 sets of towels. Not 4 or 2, but 3. 3 sets right there. Laptop right there. Anyways, we got a big day with the Michelin pilot experience. So I'm gonna cut this clip short and we're gonna transition for tomorrow.
Good morning, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Whoa. Welcome here to Florida.
All right.
12 hours of Sebring. It's probably like 72 degrees. It's very, very sunny. It's very, very warm.
A little warm.
Yeah, it's a little toasty. The anticipation though, it is building, guys. The 12 hours of Sebring is one of the most famous and grueling endurance races in the world. The track out there, oh, it's a nightmare. These guys are in for quite the event. So yeah, the event starts at 10:40.
Your imaginary watch, as you do.
I think there's a food vlog headed up here in our future, so yeah, okay. The day is looking, it's looking pretty good.
Thank you so much, James Condon, for the amazing drop. I'll be emailing that to you ASAP. Got the front row seats here. Many thanks to Michelin hooking it up at what, 7, 8 in the morning. There we go. We got the whole grid lined up. They're going to do a quick recon lap in a little bit. Check out the tire spin. Are you kidding me? We're on the pit lane here. Check it out. We got the ultimate American photo op right here. We got the Michelin Man. We got a bunch of babes here too. God bless America. Oh yeah. Door close at all times. Business end of the Sebring 12 hours. Loudest car here, man. Corvette. On the party side on that end, we're gonna head over there right after lunch. We got an entire camera crew following us this entire weekend. It's crazy. So they make us do these hits or drops. We kind of talk about the situation, what you're doing, what you're feeling. So I don't really know what they do with this footage, but it is what it is. Got the whole pit crew ready to roll here. Carrying their spear in style. No way. Gonna cross over to the other side, guys. Here we go. We might never make it back from the zoo. Alright guys, we crossed over to the other side. Got a bikini contest going on here. The cornhole tournament at 3 p.m. Got the Sebring race happening over there. We got some strange contest happening on stage.
Face the men here. I think though that maybe we've gotten a little bit too politically correct now. What do you say? Because here's the thing. Used to be, you could be at the water cooler and you could just slap somebody on the butt and say, good job with that budget. Now, you can't even say they look pretty in a dress that day. It's the pendulum has just swung too far. So, what has happened is that you can't even compliment pretty girls anymore. So I've got about 15 to 18 really attractive women that unfortunately have low self-esteem because nobody's cheering for them. Nobody's telling them that they're pretty.
It's getting really weird.
I say political correctness doesn't belong here in Sebring. What do you say?
Yeah!
For 66 years we've been doing this. I think we can go ahead and do it one more time.
Oh, my
Hashtag #MeToo needs to be replaced with hashtag honor the curves. We need to go ahead and scream as much as possible because these girls have been scarred, emotionally scarred, and they need to be cheered up. Kirsten coming up the main stairs. I saw this young lady walking down the midway. I was hoping I would see her
the guy
here.
with a massive telephoto lens. That's like 500-600 millimeters.
And
Holy
last
fuck.
and definitely not least, I have my nipples pierced. Moving on.
Oh, what the fuck? Got a makeshift judge right over there. He's got the scorecards on like cardboard. Oh my god.
Most important thing I look for in a guy is intelligence, so I apologize to half of you out there. Most important,
occupation.
if she wins first place,
Nice.
it's going to help her to fund her YouTube channel.
What?
How many guys are going on YouTube?
Give the shout out.
Okay. She's 5'4". Her most attractive feature, according to her, are her eyes.
Check this out. We got a Luigi right there. It's St. Patrick's Day, guys. A double whammy. And we're at the a bikini contest. Looking for a scrap madam for James.
How many guys would like to get dirty with the young and beautiful Amber?
We got the motherfucking 4-cylinder F-Type. Are you kidding me right now? Check it out. It's the singular. Oh my goodness. It's got one exhaust. What a damn shame, guys. Whoa, 4GT right there. Audi TT 2-tone Bugatti spec right here. Check that out. Doing some car spotting around Sebring. We got to go back to the Michelin suite right over there, but oh my goodness, can't wait to explore the zoo on the fun side of Sebring. We're hopping on the La Bamba Racing. Oh my god. Do a little quick tour of the zoo. Here we go.
We have to sit down.
Yeah, dude, they made a comeback. World famous Sebring cows making an appearance right next to the La Bamba bus. We got 3 people on the top. Got 3 people in the hood right there, chilling. Of course, Sebring is still going on. It's only halfway done, so. Hey. These guys have a little too much fun here. Oh my god. Oh man. You got a pool. Some couches. It's a disaster. He's a Lone Ranger kicking it by himself. Mobile Command Center. Probably just chilling up there. All right, as per usual, we're doing a quick round of car spotting here at Sebring. We got a beautiful Porsche GT3. Fun fact for you guys, I actually drove a couple Porsches yesterday, so I'm not really sure how I feel about them. I don't think anything's really changed. They're not that exciting, no offense. And yes, I actually did drive one on the track at Sebring yesterday. I don't know if they have GoPro footage of that or not, but anyways, back to the topic. There's a GT3 RS right over there. Got a whole shebang of Porsches here, but right across from them is the Corvette lot. Oh yeah. Got Gumpered Apollos over here, guys. Holy smokes. Alright, we're going back up. Makeshift tent cities out here. When the race is all said and done, they just burn everything that they don't want to bring back. Just did a quick tour of the zoo. The sun's setting down right now. We're gonna head over to a spot for where all the photographers are taking photos. Get a little close and personal to some of the cars that are still on track. We got 2.5 hours left on the race. I'm gonna fucking fall off this silly golf cart. Look like a complete asshole on camera, so I'm gonna stop recording, guys. Oh man, check out the, whoa! Quite the party here. We got the exclusive access. This is where photographers go. Right over there, across there. There's a couple peepholes right here. Really long night, but first of all, we got to talk about a couple things about this hotel. Many thanks to Michelin. Shout out to the Michelin crew. Got the stream sawn water, fine, that's pretty standard, but then they gave us cookies, and then a straw, and then this thing that says, please enjoy the fresh milk in your fridge. And lo and behold, there's some milk, and even more water right here. But then it continues. Don't mind the disaster that is my hotel room here. Then we got the beef jerky. We got the Chipotle Gator, 5-spice beef, teriyaki soy beef, barbecue spice pork, and the pastrami veal. So, yep. Oh, and of course, on the bottle of water, Avion or Evian, whatever you want to call it. But man, on top of the game. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I got 2 beds here. I have no idea why. I'm just rocking a solo here, guys. It's 1 in the morning, long day. We gotta cut this video short. Till next time, see you guys.